Welcome back to our workout videos. As always, remember that you can download the PDF version of this backstroke workout on the link in the description. This workout is 1,950 meters or yards long. For warm-up, we will start with 550s freestyle. Remember that this is warm-up, so start slowly. Now, let's begin doing backstroke. We will do the same 550s at a controlled pace backstroke. To improve our technique, we will do a short set that consists of kick and drills. First, let's do 550s kick, without a kickboard, on our backs and with our arms up. Try to maintain a horizontal position the whole way. Try to rest for short periods of about 20 to 30 seconds. Now, let's do 10 25s backstroke drill. We will focus on two drills. The first is this. Do a normal backstroke stroke, but pause when the hand is straight up. Then touch your face and continue the stroke. Do this for the whole 25. This will force you to have more control on your floating skills and to have a more relaxed recovery of the arms. The second drill will be sculling. This type of sculling will help you with the last part of your pull in backstroke. Keep your head in place and kick constantly. Focus on pushing water backwards in order to move forward. Alternate those two drills for the 10 25s. For the main set, we will do a pyramid, starting with 25, then 50, and so on until you do 125. Then do another 125 and come back all the way to 25. To make it more interesting, we will alternate freestyle and backstroke. So you will start the 25 doing freestyle and then continue with a 50 backstroke, and so on until you finish with the 25 backstroke. Try to do the shorter distances at a fast pace and the 125 focusing on good technique. So to recap, you will go fast at first and then a little slower, and then you will gradually increase the speed to finish with a 25 fast backstroke. To finish the workout, let's relax those muscles by gradually reducing the blood flow. Do 450s easy. Do the first two freestyle and the second two your choice. Could be kick, backstroke, breaststroke, whatever you wish. Remember that you can download the PDF of this workout through the link in the description. And while you're there, check out our different swim cap designs. We will announce the winners of last week's giveaway on the comment section of this video, as well as on our Instagram and Facebook pages. We will have another giveaway next week, so make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Swim fast!